Are we finally leaving now?
Almost.
You said almost 40 minutes ago.
Because you kept rushing me.
We've been preparing for this shopping trip since morning.
Shopping needs patience.
Shopping needs a time limit.
That's why men never buy good things.
I buy things quickly and peacefully.
You buy the first thing you see.
That's called efficiency.
That's called bad decision making.
Fine. Are you ready now?
Yes, let's go.
Wait, why are there already 3 bags in your hand?
Those are old clothes for exchange.
Why do I feel like we're returning with 10 new bags?
Stop exaggerating.
Last time you said the same thing and we needed 2 trips from the car.
Because there was a sale.
There's always a sale.
Exactly. That's why shopping is important.
I'm already tired and we haven't even reached the mall yet.
Dramatic as usual.
Realistic as usual.
Come on, we'll be back quickly.
You just lied without blinking.
Maybe a little.
I knew it.
Stop complaining. We're here now.
Why is the parking always full?
'Cause it's the weekend.
Every weekend feels like a national shopping festival.
People like shopping.
People like suffering apparently.
You act like I'm forcing you.
You are forcing me.
I asked politely.
After asking 15 times.
And eventually, you agreed.
Because resistance became useless.
Smart decision.
Fine. What are we buying today?
Just a few things.
That sentence scares me.
Shoes, clothes, kitchen containers, maybe curtains.
That is not a few things.
Relax.
You also said maybe.
Yes.
Maybe is the dangerous part.
Don't overthink it.
I'm trying to mentally protect my wallet.
Your wallet will survive.
I'm not convinced.
First, let's check clothes.
Of course.
What does that mean?
Every shopping trip starts with clothes and somehow ends 3 hours later.
That's because you get bored too quickly.
Because I enter stores with bright lights and loud music.
You sound 70 years old.
Maybe malls are aging me.
Stop talking and come inside.
Why is it freezing in here?
Air conditioning.
It feels like winter.
That's why I told you to bring a jacket.
We're inside a mall, not climbing mountains.
Still.
Fine. Where are we going first?
Women's section.
I had a feeling.
Don't start.
I'm silent.
Good.
Why are there so many dresses?
Because people wear different styles.
Half of these look exactly the same.
They are completely different.
One is light blue and one is slightly lighter blue.
See? You notice the difference.
Unfortunately.
This one is pretty.
Didn't you buy something similar last month?
No.
I'm pretty sure you did.
That one had different sleeves.
Of course. Huge difference.
Don't mock fashion.
I respect fashion. I just don't understand it.
That's obvious.
How much is this dress?
Don't look at the price yet.
That means it's expensive.
Quality matters.
My bank account matters too.
Relax, I'm only trying it.
That never ends with only trying.
Wait here.
I'm going to be standing outside fitting rooms forever, right?
Probably.
Wonderful.
How does this look?
Nice.
Just nice?
Very nice.
You didn't even look properly.
I did.
Then describe it.
It's elegant.
You're guessing.
I'm trying to survive. You look good in it.
Better.
Are you buying it?
Maybe.
Dangerous word again.
What do you think about this color?
I think all colors look good on you.
Nice save.
Years of experience.
Maybe I should try another one too.
I knew it.
Don't complain.
I'm not complaining. I'm emotionally preparing.
Here, hold these clothes.
Why am I carrying everything already?
Because you're here with me.
Incredible logic.
Thank you.
How many dresses are you trying?
4.
4.
That's normal.
For who?
Everyone except you, apparently.
I buy one shirt in 10 minutes.
Yes, and then wear it for 5 years.
Efficient and economical.
Boring and predictable.
Strong words from someone choosing between 20 shades of beige.
Beige is classy.
Beige is confusing.
This black dress looks elegant too.
Everything looks elegant according to you.
Because I have good taste.
Expensive taste.
Important detail.
I noticed.
Which one do you like more? The blue or black?
Black.
Really?
Yeah.
I like the blue one more.
Then why did you ask me?
I wanted your opinion.
And ignored it immediately.
Exactly.
This shopping trip is amazing.
Stop being dramatic.
Fine.
Okay, I'll take both.
Of course you will.
Don't look shocked.
I'm trying not to calculate the total.
You worry too much.
Someone has to.
Now let's check shoes.
There's more.
Obviously.
My energy level is dropping fast.
We just started?
That sentence terrified me.
Come on.
Why are shoe stores always so bright?
So the shoes look better.
Everything here is designed to steal money.
You're being negative.
I'm being observant.
Look at these heels.
They look dangerous.
Dangerous?
How do people even walk in those?
Practice.
They look like ankle-breaking machines.
Yet women still wear them.
That's impressive, honestly.
This pair is beautiful.
That pair looks expensive.
Stop predicting prices.
I can feel the pain already.
Relax, I'll just try them.
Another dangerous sentence.
Sit down and wait peacefully.
I've become a shopping assistant.
A very handsome shopping assistant.
Nice compliment. Still tired though.
How do these look?
Honestly. Really good.
Comfortable too.
That's surprising.
Why?
Usually stylish shoes look painful.
True.
Can you walk properly in them?
Of course.
Carefully, please. I don't want hospital bills added to shopping bills.
You worry too much.
Because you walk fast in dangerous shoes.
I'm fine.
Why are women's shoes so complicated?
Why are men's shoes all the same?
Because simple things work.
Boring answer again.
Practical answer.
Maybe I should get white sneakers too.
We came for a few things.
Sneakers are necessary.
Everything becomes necessary during shopping.
That's because shopping helps you remember what you need.
And invent new needs.
Maybe a little.
At least you admit it.
Fine, I'll only buy one pair.
Thank you for your generosity.
Don't be sarcastic.
Too late.
Okay, let's go upstairs now.
Why upstairs?
Home section.
I suddenly feel weak.
Stop acting.
Last time the home section cost more than electronics.
Because we needed things.
We bought decorative pillows.
And they looked beautiful.
There are now 8 pillows on the couch.
The couch looks cozy.
The couch looks unavailable for sitting.
That's rude.
That's accurate.
Look at these containers.
They're just containers.
They're aesthetic containers.
They hold rice. Why do they need aesthetics?
Because the kitchen should look nice too.
Invisible rice doesn't care.
I care.
That's the expensive part.
These transparent ones are pretty.
We already have containers at home.
Old containers.
They still work.
They don't match.
Since when do containers need matching?
Since always.
I learn something terrifying every day.
Hold this basket properly.
It's getting heavy.
Because you're weak.
Because you shop like you're preparing for 5 years.
Excuse me?
Nothing.
Smart decision.
Thank you.
Oh, look, new coffee mugs.
No.
Just looking.
That phrase means danger.
This mug says good morning, sunshine.
We already have too many mugs.
But this one is cute.
We have an entire shelf of cute mugs.
Different moods need different mugs.
That makes no sense.
It makes perfect sense.
One mug says boss lady. You never even use it.
Because I'm saving it.
For what? A royal ceremony.
You complain too much.
Because the mug population at home is increasing rapidly.
Fine, I won't buy it.
Really?
Maybe.
There's that word again.
Stop reacting dramatically to maybe.
Maybe destroys budgets.
Look at these curtains.
Absolutely not.
Why not?
Because choosing curtains takes 3 hours.
No, it doesn't.
Last time you compared fabric like a detective solving a crime.
Because lighting matters.
Curtains are secretly your life passion.
They change the whole room.
They cover windows.
You have no design sense.
I have survival sense.
These gray ones would match the sofa.
The sofa hidden under pillows.
Stop insulting my pillows.
I'm scared of them.
You're impossible.
Yet you married me.
Sometimes I question that decision during shopping trips.
Fair enough.
Feel this fabric.
Why?
Just feel it.
Okay, it feels like curtain.
Unbelievable.
What answer did you expect?
Something useful.
I tried.
Maybe light gray is better?
They look identical.
They absolutely do not.
One is cloud gray and one is smoke gray or something.
Wait, how did you know?
I've learned too much over the years.
I'm impressed.
I'm concerned.
Okay, no curtains today.
Really?
Don't sound so happy.
Sorry. I'm emotional.
You're so dramatic.
Shopping changes people.
You've said that 5 times already.
Because it's true.
All right, now we need groceries.
There's still more.
Of course, we need snacks too.
Snacks I can support.
Finally, some enthusiasm.
Because snacks are simple. You see chips, you buy chips.
That explains your shopping style.
Efficient again.
Let's get cereal too.
Why are cereal boxes getting smaller every year?
And more expensive.
Finally, we agree on something.
Progress.
Which cereal are we buying?
Chocolate one.
Healthy choice.
Happiness matters too.
Fair point.
Should we get cookies?
Why are you asking? We both know the answer is yes.
True.
Get the chocolate chip ones.
Big pack or small pack?
Big pack, obviously.
See, you also overspend.
Snacks don't count.
That's not how money works.
Let me live peacefully.
Fine.
Wait, why is the cart suddenly full?
We've been shopping for 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yes.
I understand nothing about time anymore.
Shopping time moves differently.
Apparently.
Are you hungry?
Extremely.
Food court?
Finally, something exciting.
See, shopping isn't so bad.
Food is saving this experience.
What do you want to eat?
Anything spicy.
As usual.
And cold drink too.
Fine.
Please tell me we're done after food.
Mostly done.
That sounds suspicious.
I just need to check one final store.
One final store has never been one final store.
This time it is.
Your confidence scares me.
Relax and eat your food.
At least the fries are good.
Want some sauce?
Extra sauce. Of course. Shopping becomes easier with food.
Everything becomes easier with food.
True.
You know what's funny?
What?
You complain the whole time but still come with me every shopping trip.
Because if I don't come, you'll buy twice as much.
That's rude.
That's accurate.
Maybe.
There's that word again.
You'll survive.
Hopefully.